How to download Bumble dating app on iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Rishma and welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. In today's tutorial video, I am going to guide you how to download Bumble dating app on iPhone. Before getting started, please make sure you have a stable internet connection. First, you need to go to your App Store. On the search bar, type Bumble and hit on search icon, as this will lead to your official Bumble app. Tap on Get. Then double press on the right side button of your iPhone and it will verify your face with a face scanner. After a while, it is downloading on your device. Just a second. As you can see, this is already downloaded on my device. Tap on the open option to go to Bumble, and that is how you can easily download Bumble app on your iPhone. Comment us on the comment section if you have any doubt and queries related to this topic. And that was it for this video. If you found this tutorial video informative and easy, do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And also press the notification bell so you won't be missing any update from us. Meet you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.